Hey friends, it's Kivia. Welcome back or welcome if this is your first time here. You really get to know this person when you spent so much time apart. It's like you guys are seeing each other every day, all day, because what is going on here? But So I want to start off by thanking my friends at Brightify for gifting me with this mirror. I have been looking for a round mirror for my office, so this came at the perfect time. This is a 24-inch round mirror and it was very easy to hang. Only one nail was needed. If you are interested, I will have this linked in the description box below. Alright, I have a few new pickups. I got this from Five Below. These came from the at-home store, Five Below, Pop Shelf, Amazon. It's just some tea. These items came from Home Goods. So I'm going to be setting up my tea bar. Not really a bar, but a corner in this area right here. So I needed some items for that. I actually got this out of the bathroom section in Home Goods, but I wanted to use it for the tea setup. And then I have these. Well, this right here, I'm going to put my spoons in. I got this bowl, this apple. I found this vase at Ross. I got this from TJ Maxx, so it doubles as a holder for the bananas, and then you can also put other fruit inside of there. And then this came from Amazon. I have these spoons and then this cute mug. I did see, who did I see with this mug on Instagram? Be My Guest with Denise. I thought this was so cute, so I got that. I have one other item. All right, I finally found the third picture that I was looking for from Ross that I wanted to put here, because at the time I hung these, they only had two. So I finally found that one, so I'm going to be putting that one right here in the middle. Okay, I hung it, but this middle one is lower than the other two, which is fine with me. And this one right here was actually there, but I noticed this one is different. It's slightly darker. If you can see, these two have a more like gray, bluish tint to it. All right, excuse the way I look. I'm a little tired and I've just been lounging around all day. Take a class on how to properly hang pictures. I have a little method that I use with the tape and, you know, the measurement thing like I was showing you guys before. That's just what I do in my house, but if I'm going to be hanging pictures and stuff in other people's homes, I definitely want to make sure I master that skill so I'm not putting so many holes in the walls, because you know you have to find a stud and all of that stuff. But yeah, that's something that I struggle with. Even though I have the eye for decor, when it comes to like hanging curtains and hanging pictures, I tend to struggle with that a little bit. So that's definitely something that I want to work on, even if I have to look at some YouTube videos, which I'm constantly on YouTube, so I am completely fine with that. I know Home Depot used to offer those classes, and Lowe's, I believe. I think it's just Home Depot though, but you know, after we started going through all of this craziness in the world, I'm not sure if that's still something that they're doing, but that would be something fun, because I would prefer something hands-on rather than watching a video. But yeah, so that's the plan. What else is new? My husband and I we just hit our 20 years of marriage. Crazy, huh? So yeah, it still blows my mind how fast time has passed. It's like, where did the time go? Like, it's just unbelievable. But yeah, January 9th was our 20-year anniversary. So it's crazy to me. We didn't do nothing big because we actually have a trip planned to go to Jamaica in August. So that trip is pretty much our whole year with the amount of money that we spending. So it's like, that was birthday, anniversary, everything that's coming up prior to that. That's gonna be our focus. So we didn't do nothing, you know, big. We did our vow renewal when we lived in Hawaii. And we did that at 16 years. It was supposed to be at 15 years, but we did it at 16 years. Time just flies. We are very grateful for a long-lasting marriage. It has not been easy. I don't want to make it seem like it's been a piece of cake, because it has not been, especially with us being a young couple, and we were a military couple. You know, he just retired last year, April of last year, he just retired. So it was a struggle, a huge struggle. I think we struggled more after. I thought it was hard during his time in the military, but it was harder, you know, after he got out, spending so much more time with each other, learning each other's personalities. It's like, you really get to know this person when you spent so much time apart. It's like you guys are seeing each other every day, all day. With like, what is going on are much better. Every day is something different. Learning more and more about each other, and we're just gonna continue to ride this thing all the way out. I'm blessed to be able to say that I've been married to the father of my kids for 20 years. It's not to throw shade at anybody or brag about it. It's just a blessing, because you don't see that every day. So I am so grateful for that. But stuff around the house, I know I want to put, so right here where the table is at, so we get like, I got the table pushed out away from the wall, because if those chairs are pushed too close, it starts scratching up the wall and stuff. So I want to get basically make like a chair rail, so when the kids are getting up from the table and the chair happens to be too close to the wall, it hits the rail and it's not damaging the wall. So that's definitely something I want to do ASAP, because I've been noticing a lot of scratches on this wall, and I'll get to it when I get to it. So yeah, but when I get the rest of the items for my tea station, I'll be sure to come back and show you guys that. I need to order. All right, sorry my phone cut off because my sister was calling me, but I do need to order the Keurig. I was telling my husband I want a Keurig specifically just for tea, because the one that he have over here, I'll show you guys, which, you know, he have his coffee, he uses his coffee and stuff here. If you put a teapot in there, it tastes just like coffee. So I was like, no, I need something that's dedicated for tea only. So I'm just gonna have that one over here. I really wanted to put it here, but we have our air fryer here, and I like that it's kind of closed off, so when you first walk in, you don't have this as an eyesore. Like over here, I would rather this big air fryer to be right here, and we use the air fryer every day, so it's not like I could just keep it in the pantry or something. So I was like, I'll just keep it there. But it would have been nice because we have the coffee station here. I would have loved to have put the tea station here, but I'm just gonna set it up right here. So yeah, but I just have the stuff laid out until I get everything that I need. So I'm not sure. I did see a Keurig on Amazon. I'm gonna look and see if Walmart have some cheaper, but I might just get the one that I saw on Amazon. I already had these mugs here. I had these for years. I got these from Hobby Lobby years ago. They were on clearance, so I did not pay that amount. I think these mugs were like $2 each, if I'm not mistaken, because it was on like the 90% off. Yeah, but I definitely didn't pay $18 for those mugs. But you can't put these in a microwave, of course, because of this gold here. Yeah, but I was gonna get rid of them, but when I started buying all of this stuff, I was like, I'll just keep these. Even if I don't use them, I could just have them here for display. So the only thing I need is like this 2-tier shelf. I might put a picture up here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So I just want to get that, and I want to get the Keurig machine, and yeah, that's gonna be it. But y'all, this is so cute. You can't put much in here, but super cute. So when it's sitting like this, it just looks like a purse. I love it. They had other colors as well. All right, I did find this planner at Five Below, and I like this one because it has the months on here, and then it have some inspiration quotes for each month. So thought this would be perfect. I have a lot of collaborations coming up, and I need to be able to keep up with them and when they are due, plus a lot of things that I have planned for this year. So this will definitely keep me organized. All right, so thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I know it's been a minute since I did an upload. I have been uploading some shorts just to kind of put some content out there, but I haven't been doing a whole lot of recording lately, so I'll probably do more shorts than anything. But as I start to create more content, I'll be sure to put together longer videos for you guys. But until then, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with a friend. Please make sure you like. I've noticed that a lot of my subscribers, a lot of people that are watching my videos are not subscribed. So could you please do me a favor and hit that red subscribe button? It is free. I promise you, you would not be charged for anything. So subscribe if you like the content, and hit that notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. But until next time, my friends, take care.